Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox icon. Search up your favorite color Roblox logo. Pick your favorite one. After picking, save it. Now go into Google Play and search up icon changer. Scroll down until you see this one. Install it. Open up the app. Scroll down until you see Roblox and click it. Press photo and then the one on the right. Click allow and then select the photo of the Roblox logo. Press OK, then allow home shortcuts. Press OK again and wait. And that's it. And that's how you change your Roblox icon. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.